We've been wanting fall here in Florida, definitely not feeling like fall in the Midwest.
No, it's not. As a matter of fact, again, today, Minneapolis just as hot as we were.
Wow.
So we hit 90 degrees here in Fort Myers.
What?
Minnie capped out at 89.
Wow.
That's not normal.
No.
At all.
No.
So let's take a look at some of those national temperatures, shall we? So Minneapolis hit 89 degrees. Lincoln, Nebraska registered a hotter high than here, 91 this afternoon, even up in Chicago. And it's October 2nd in Chicago, 86 degrees for a high this afternoon. Same story for our friends over there in Columbus, Ohio, 87 this afternoon for St. Louis and 89 this afternoon for Nashville. A little bit cooler farther toward the west. So our friends in Denver, for example, hit a high around 63. Nonetheless, though, seeing this kind of heat this late, especially heading into early October, not at all common. At least for us, though, we are starting to see a bit of a break from the heat and humidity. Let's take a live look outside right now. It's picture perfect from the beautiful Bayfront Inn. A bit breezy at times, but you're looking live here, looking eastward, and showers and storms few and far between. It's because, last week we had that deep tropical air mass in place. Well, now it's been replaced with some drier air. You can see that very clearly here on your water vapor imagery. This measures the amount of moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, and it really gives meteorologists a good perspective of where our weather's coming from and where all the moisture is. That's typically conducive then for more showers and storms. So all that moisture well off toward our south, and now we're seeing a lot of dry air here across the peninsula. Because of that, we aren't seeing much in the way of activity rainfall wise. Just a couple of quick moving rain showers from the northeast toward the southwest. If you are affected by one of these showers, we just were here at the Fox 4 studios, and we had rain for about 6.5 minutes, and that was it. And then those showers raced off toward the south and west. So there we go. That little shower that we were monitoring already has fully fizzled out, just to put all that in perspective. I do really quickly want to bring it back to the Peace River here in Arcadia across DeSoto County. Minor flooding ongoing, so that flood warning will continue until Wednesday morning. And then farther inland for Glades County for Palmdale. This is for Fish Eating Creek. We do have a flood warning in effect there as well. As for our weather here at home, things will stay nice and quiet tonight. Mostly clear skies to kick off tomorrow morning. And again, with that drier air in place, tomorrow's showers, storms few and far between. But like today, with that flow picking up out of the northeast, I'm expecting sustained winds around 15 miles per hour, but you will be noticing some of those gusts closer to 20 miles per hour. Because of that, small craft advisories are in effect through tomorrow morning. So boaters, just something to keep in mind. It's definitely going to be on the choppier side, even on those inland waterways and bays. As we look ahead to that bus stop forecast, leave the rain gear at home. That's nice to hear. 7 a.m. temperature in the mid-70s. Afternoon highs warming into the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees. So overnight tonight will drop down to 73. Afternoon highs tomorrow around 89. Again, shower chances staying minimal at 0%. And it's not really even until Wednesday we could see an isolated shower. Rain chances for Wednesday at 20%. Otherwise staying pretty low at 0 to 10% for the rest of the work week heading into the weekend.